With rebates from the California Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Project, or CALeVIP, saving money on EV charger purchase and installation costs is easier than ever. Here's how you can get in on this. If you have a business property, there's a good chance it's eligible. Grocery stores, restaurants, hospitals, hotels, workplaces, retail shopping centers, even gas stations. Apartment buildings and condominiums are also eligible. Even local government properties, like libraries, city halls, or any other city or county-owned facilities can qualify. Almost any commercial, multi-unit dwelling, or local government property is eligible. It's easy to apply, and everything you need to start your project is on our website. And once your project is completed and approved, we'll send you your rebate within 15 business days. So, if you're ready to increase your property's value, attract more customers to your business, and help clean up the air, visit CALeVIP.org to get started.